okutendekwa kushikirwa mu abihe rya SFC kurwa mu nkambi ezindi kandi Major General Paul Muhanguzi ori omudumizi w'enkambi ya kabiri ya Makenke n'uwabira ry'omugyenyi mukuru.
As you step forward to assume your responsibilities as platoon commanders and non-junior commissioned officers, remember that leadership is not defined by rank, but by responsibility.
You have been trained through so many activities. You are now ready to go and serve your country in a diligent way. As a junior commanders or junior commanders, you are now supposed to go back to your units. Go back to your units, display exactly what you have learned from the school.
Abahendire bashabirwa kurinda ekitinisa ky'amahe baraze hona.
Inadequate training infrastructure, the school lacks permanent accommodation and classroom structures, and currently relies on temporary facilities such as tents. These are vulnerable to adverse weather conditions, including strong winds and heavy rains, which have on several occasions disrupted training activities.
Amakuraga gashakwa Ali Waswa.